Hello, how are you doing today? This is Mr. Newbold. How are you doing? Just wanted to welcome you to Financial Literacy. And we're going to be talking Chapter 2 now. You made it. Good job. And it's going to be Saving Mr. Newbold with savings. I need help. How can I get help? Through savings. I've got a lot of student debt to pay off, and for my master's degree that I'm working on. And my wife would like to take a trip to Italy for our 10th anniversary. So I need a lot of savings, don't I? So let's jump over and see how we can do that. In fact, I've got a secret to show you. If you save enough in the bank, you could end up with something like maybe even this much money. What do you think? Real? What do you think? Can you read that? And can you read that? Well, I'm going to show you how to make that much money. Wouldn't that be great? Totally. Okay, so we're going to start off with how to earn money by savings. So how it works is the bank, you give them your money. What? Yeah, you give them your money and just give it to them. They pay you some interest. Thanks for letting us borrow your money. And then they lend it to somebody else on more interest. And so then they get lots of money from the person who's borrowing. And they pay you a little bit for lending them your money. So really, we should help each other by borrowing straight to other people and charging them the interest. Yeah, why didn't I think of that? The Bank of Newbold. Yeah. So anyhow, under 2.1, if you go to 2.0, you can watch the video with Tiff and Cameron about savings. I highly recommend you do that. It's pretty good, pretty interesting, pretty funny. And so now, it says here that imagine compound interest, which I'll talk about in a second, but your money earning money, right? So first, let's go to the mint.org. So go to CTRL and click that link. That'll pull up this link right here, how to earn money. Most of the time, you have to work to get money, right? But what you didn't know is that your money could earn money. In fact, if you got one of these, then you could put it all in the bank and get about, I can't remember if it was $500 or $700 or $1,000 interest every month. What? Yeah, if you get enough money and lend it to banks, they'll pay you money to borrow your money. And then you get that payment. So it's like, well, I don't even have to work. I could just sit at home and live off my money in the bank. $1,000. Free money, right? So that's definitely worth it, right? So you've got to learn how that works, though, don't you? So banks will pay you interest on money you deposit. Interest rate, that depends on how much money you get, how much they lend. That's the thing that fluctuates and can be hard. Like right now, the economy is and so you don't actually get that much money for your savings account. So it might be other ways to invest better, like stock and things like that. But then there's more risk, isn't there? Okay, so next we want to go to the compounding calculator. First, let's look at your homework assignment a little bit, because the answer to question number 1 is right here. It says here, the question number 1, deposits in banks and credit unions are now insured for up to $250,000. So that means if something happens and the bank goes down, don't worry, they've got a lot of money to give you back your money, so the government helps us there, right? So some websites still reflect an incorrect lower amount, recently changed, so now you know the answer number 1. So then click there, and then also here. You're also going to go to Compounding Calculator, so that's our second website, and the Millionaire Calculator, that's the third website, and then the Power 72. So we're looking at 4 websites for this homework assignment. Okay, and then if we go to the next page, it'll actually give you the questions. So we already have the question number 1. It's right here. Do you see it? Do you see it before it disappears? It's right there. Oh, gone. Oh, how much are savings in banks and credit unions insured for? You got it? If you didn't, go back a page. We just talked about it. Okay, so then question 2 from the website and compounding calculator. you're going to explain why compound interest is more powerful than simple interest. Okay, so we'll go over to that website we were just talking about. Compound interest is more powerful. Okay, and the reason why is because it's calculated on your deposits plus any interest you got. So the bank gives you money for borrowing. So let's say you have let's say you put in $100. And they're like, we're going to give you 10 cents for letting us borrow your $100 because we lent it to Bill over here who needed it for his tractor, his lawnmower. So they give you a dime. You're like, oh, now I've got $100 and a dime. And then, without you even asking, they borrow again off the $100 and the dime. So then you get $100 and another dime and another 2 cents. And pretty soon it just get more and more, and they keep borrowing your money and giving it back to you. And pretty soon you've just got compounded interest because you're getting money off of the money that they already gave to you. Is that cool? I think it's way cool. That's how you could like be a millionaire and then just sit at home and live off your money the rest of your life. Your money is growing all by itself. And you don't have to do anything. It's that easy. So let's go to the compounding calculator. We learned the answer number 2, part A right there. There's our compounding calculator. And then we'll jump back to our homework assignment, which says, how much would you have to save yearly to make $1 million? How much do you have to save yearly to make $1 million in 52 years? Whoa. I would be like 84, and that'd be a millionaire. I'd kind of like to be a millionaire sooner than that, but we'll just see what happens. So we'll go back to here. You'll notice right here where it says millionaire calculator, go and click on there. That'll take you to over here to the $1 million calculator. And then you're going to type in, let's see, well, how long to be a millionaire, huh? Let's see. Ooh. When will you be a millionaire? Want to know how long it takes to be a millionaire? Try different saving plans. Plug in numbers and see what happens. Okay. I don't know. I have to put in probably $5,000. And then if I put it into U.S. stock market, let's calculate that. Ooh, you'll reach $1 million in 38 years and 253 days. Interesting. Maybe we need to go to the other calculator, which is the compounding calculator. And nope, millionaire, nope, compounding, yep, yeah. Okay, let's see here. How many years would you like to save? So I think they told us 52 years. Is that right, guys? Okay, let's just double check here. Whoa. Let's go over to, hey Pendle, how's it going? Let's go back. We are going over to, there it is. How much would you have to save yearly to make $1 million in 52 years? So we just put 52 years there. Let's just say a standard savings. Enter the amount you want to save each year. I guess you have to keep plugging in, you guys, until you get it right. So let's say $6,000 a year. Calculate. That would, let's see here, $52 at 0.5%. I know it looks like 50%, you guys, but it's 0.5% interest. It's not a lot. On your $6,000 per year investment would grow to, well, $1/3 Maybe if we jump it up to $18,000, what do you guys think? That's 3 times that amount. Ooh, there you go, $1 million. So 52 years at 0.5%. But what if we change it to the U.S. market, which is 7%, U.S. stock market? Whoa, $9 million. So I guess it kind of depends on what you put in, right? If you put in one of these interest rates, that'll tell you how long it takes. So just make sure in your assignment you just put in how much, which one you use. Is it a CD you're going to use? There would be $1 million. So probably 15,000 would be good. And ooh, that's even better, right? Let's try 14,500. So you just put in, if you did a CD, ooh, not so much. So you try to get there right at the $1 million if you can. Hit that there for 52 years, and just say which one you used. Okay, I'll let you finish the rest of the homework assignment here, but let's just double check what we have left. Using the rule of 72, how long would it take for your money to double when growing at 4% interest? What interest rate would you need to double your money in 20 years? Some people think it's important for only older people to save. Closer to retirement, explain what a major advantage of you being saved. So we're going to put those in there. Rule 72 would be, go back to that first website, And then here it is, power of 72, so we'll go there. And so again, what's the question? Let's see. It says here, question, using the rule of 72, how long will it take for money to double when growing at a 4% interest rate? Well, let's see here, 4% interest rate. Ooh, well, if you use the website correctly here, 4.0, it says here that 72 divided by 4 is how many years it takes to double. Could you do that in your head? Well, 4 into 72, 4 into 7, is there carry 3, or 8? 18 years? Let's find out. Bingo! Nice. Oh, cool. There you go. So I helped you out with that one. I'll let you try the next one on your own, and I'll see you on the next part now. Hopefully, if you didn't already take the Chapter 3 unit test, make sure you take that. Okay, but I'll go ahead and see you next on how to save in 2.2. It was great talking to you, and take care. Ta-ta for now. Keep saving. Remember, want to get the $1 million, then you can live off of the money. Live off of the money, literally. Bye for now.